Hey guys, it's me again. My name is Mike, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I did my brows. Yes, using this new brow artist collection from Strokes Beauty Lab. But first, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and click on the bell so you will get notified whenever I have new videos. Please don't forget to like me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram, and that's at @makeupby_Odessa. So, let's get started. Strokes Beauty Lab has sent me this gorgeous pangkilay prior to their launch, where I got first dibs of these products. I think this is their premium bundle kit. So for the past weeks that I've been making videos here on YouTube, I've been contemplating kung paano ko gagawa ng brow tutorial. So sobrang daming videos na makikita ninyo dito sa YouTube, hindi nyo na alam kung ano pa ang susundin ninyo. And this package came in. Sobrang perfect timing lang kasi I'm about to create a brow tutorial for you guys. And I can finally share with you how to do brows using these products from Strokes Beauty Lab. Yes, finally. So gumawa na ako ng unboxing video sa IGTV, and I'll try to incorporate the clips to this video. In this video, I will create 2 different brow routines on each kilay. Hindi ko pagsasama-samahin lahat ng products na to. So, okay, sa isang kilay, kasi baka mamaya mukha ng higad yung kilay ko. And they have 5 products in this collection, and I will use 3 to 4 products on each brow. So, unahin muna natin tong brow fixer. So, I usually brush the hair in place so I can instantly see the brow shape. Ganito rin yung ginagawa ko sa mga brides ko. This clear brow gel will help the hair to hold it in place para madaling mag-fill in ng brows later. Actually, if you have blessed brows and gusto mo lang siyang mukha lang natural, this one is enough. Oh my gosh. Actually, sabi dito, I am enough. This one is really enough. Sukayin mo lang yung hair mo, and then, that's it. So this works like a brow soap, but this won't leave you those white flakes. And this retails for 398 pesos. Actually, tumitigas siya. Okay, let's move on to Brow Sculptor Duo. So this has 4 shade variants. So warm brown, deep brown, soft brown, and ash gray. So let's fill in those gaps using this Brow Sculptor Duo. So I'm gonna use the shade in warm brown. Kita nyo? May problema talaga tong kilay ko eh. May part na hindi na tumutubo. Ewan ko ba dyan? Meron akong ginagamit na eyebrow pencil before from a Korean brand, but discontinued na siya. Ang hirap na maghanap ng magandang eyebrow pencil ulit since sobrang tagal kong ginamit yun, like siguro mga 6 years? 5 years? Uy, ang ganda niya. Okay, this one is warm brown. What I really like about retractables, hindi mo na kailangan magtasa. Pero mahirap lang kapag naputulan ka. It's gonna be the end of the world. Iyak ka na lang. So this one claims that it's waterproof. And it comes with a spoolie, making it easy for you to blend product. It's very handy. So this retails for 378 pesos. So next we have the Brow Painter. So this one has 1 shade variant lang, and this one is in ash brown. Sobrang dami nang nagsilabasan na ganitong mga pen type na pangkilay. Unlike pencil, medyo intimidating siyang gamitin, and sobrang lambot ng tip. So you need to practice the application so you can create more natural looking brows. So let's use this to define the arch and the tail. So this one has a sheer and translucent finish. So kahit mapasobra ka, hindi ka mabibigla. So it's buildable. Ganda. So you can get this for 498 pesos. So mas mura siya kumpara sa mga ibang mga ganitong pangkilay. Okay, so let's set everything in place using this brow colorist. And this is available in 3 shades: neutral brown, coal black, and lucid white. It has a dual-sided brush, features short and long bristles to apply formula in varying intensities. This one is just like a brow mascara. So kung gusto mo na ng more defined brows without it looking too harsh, this one is for you. So you can just product lang siyang brow fixer. So I'm gonna use this neutral brown. So you can get this one for 358 pesos. Okay, so we're done with this brow. So let's move on to the other brow. So gagamitin ko lang ulit yung brow fixer. So this one is just like the brow colorist. It's just that this one is clear and mas stronghold lang siya compared to the brow colorist. Since mas stronghold siya compared sa colorist, you can use this as your finishing touch so you can make your brows last all day. Okay, eto na. Ito talaga yung dahilan kung bakit sobrang excited ako sa collection na to. Pangalan pa lang ng product, sobrang promising na. It is the microblade Pen Perfector. So as they claim, it is bleed proof and long wearing. So I just love that it has an ultra fine brush tip that creates the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade worthy effect without the actual blade. So okay, lagyan na natin siya. Bungi-bungi yung kilay ko and may mga part na hindi na tumutubo. So I think this is the perfect product for me. By the way, I'm using bronzite. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Para ako nagpa-microblade. Ang galing. Grabe. I'm speechless. Hindi mo na kailangan ng kahit anong product. Ito lang ang buhay na. Brow fixer and the microblade Pen Perfector. Perfect! Kudos to the founder of the Strokes Beauty Lab, Sir Momoy Supe. So thank you for creating such genius brow products. So this is my 2 brow routine using the Strokes Beauty Lab Brow Artist Collection. So you know what? I'm really trying hard to create the thin hair-like strokes using other brow products. But it can't seem to do the job, and mahirap siyang gawin without the right tools and products. So you would still need a super fine brow brush para ma-achieve yung thin hair-like strokes. So ang hirap nun gawin kasi yung brush kapag ka napudpud na siya sa kalumaan, wala na. But with this microblade Pen Perfector, sobrang dali na lang. So there are two shades, bronzite and the graphite. And another thing that I love about this microblade Pen Perfector, it is only for 498 pesos. Oh, sobrang mura! Mas mura siya kaysa dun sa binibili. Grabe, sobrang mura. You are really getting your money's worth. I have done so many different eyebrows and I must say, our brows have different personalities. Merong perfect kilay. Yung parang hindi mo na kailangan ng kahit anong product para maging on fleek lang siya. So merong makapal, merong manipis, merong pasaway, masunurin, mabait, at makulit. And nagbabago yung trend. As a makeup artist, I need eyebrow products that can help me create different eyebrows on every situation. At ito na yun. This is such a wonderful brow collection na sigurado akong bibili ako kahit hindi pa siya ubos. And the exciting part of this video. So I got this PR package from Strokes Beauty Lab and I got an extra to give away. And by the way, this giveaway is not in any way sponsored. So recently, I just reached 10,000 followers on Instagram. And the perfect way to celebrate this milestone with you is to give away this Stroke Beauty Lab Brow Artist Collection. And you will get each product of this collection. So this is my way of thanking you for your love and support. So this could be yours if you will follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, tell me in the comments, why do you love doing your eyebrows? You can comment here on YouTube or on Instagram. I'll be uploading a giveaway photo where you can leave your answers and comments. Number 2, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Makeup by Odessa. And follow me on Instagram at makeupby_Odessa. Number 3, so on Instagram, as mentioned earlier, I will upload a giveaway photo. So you just have to like that photo and tag 3 of your friends in the comments. So you can tag as many friends as you can. To make this giveaway special and personal, the winner will not be randomly picked. I will be choosing the best answer. So gandahan yung sagot ninyo, kayong bahala. Kung gusto niyo ng mala beauty queen ang sagot, go. Alright, so good luck to everyone who will join this giveaway. This could be yours. Yes! And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you learned something and found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more of this, let me know in the comments. And if you want to see me again, hit that subscribe button. Again, this is Mike and I'll see you again next time. Bye!